Sun was sunset. 5:45 na 6. Ayan ang Boracay ngayon. Bali 4:39. Ang dami dito sa Station 1. Ayan. Magwe-wait kami ng sunset viewing. Alas 6 daw ang sunset. Ayan. Station 1. Ayan pa yung sun. Medyo nakalingering sun. Lingering to the clouds. Sana mamaya pag mag-sunset viewing kami, maganda. Ayan. Diba? Uy, malamig na. Nawala na naman yung araw. Nice. So fine.
How many minutes?
It's 4:45 and the sun is shining bright. Yes. I hope later 6 p.m. sunset viewing is amazing. It's great. I hope. Praying. Ayan. The sun is hiding now. And it's 5:45 exactly. And we're leaving ahead now. Yes. Karata magi ho? Okay. Bye, Boracay. See you next